Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to clean and slice or cut collard greens. This is collard greens and I'm going to show you how to wash and slice it. And then in another video I'll show you how to use it to make vegetable soup. So let's begin. So I'm just going to remove the label. This is how this vegetable comes, collard greens. So if you buy the ones that were already cut in the store or from the shops, when they cut them they add all these thick stems to it, which I find annoying. So this is how I like to clean this. I will break this part off first and then that's how it looks. Because nobody would like to be eating this because they're so thick and big, so you have to remove that. This is another way of doing it. If you don't want to break this thick chunk stem off, you could just go straight in and start tearing and then break it off from there. Still same thing, same result. You don't want to go like that. You want to go in a ladylike manner, like how our grandparents taught us, you know? Make it look decent, then we break it off. And it's like this. It's a lot easier to cut as well. When you want to slice it up, when it's looking like this, it's a lot easier to slice in a demure manner. So now I've taken this to the sink. I'm going to wash the vegetables. So I'm going to use this lime to make sure that I'm going to clean up the vegetable. But I'm going to wash this about 2 or 3 times and then squeeze out the lemon juice and leave it to soak on the vegetables. That's my way of disinfecting it. So this is the lemon. I've removed the seeds. So I'll wait till the water is enough for me to submerge the vegetable. Once it gets to that level, I'll switch off the water, and then this is how I like to wash this vegetable. In fact, this is how I wash my vegetables. I submerge and bring it up, submerge and bring it up. So if there's any sand, that sand will fall to the bottom. Will fall to the bottom of the bowl. That's my first wash. So now I'm going to transfer the vegetables into this bowl, bit by bit, to make sure there's no sand on these vegetables. Can you see the colour of that water? You see how dirty this water is? This is the first wash. I'm going to wash it again. And this is why I don't like to slice the vegetables first. Because when you slice them, you're going to lose the chlorophyll into this water. And the chlorophyll is the blood of the vegetable. As blood is to us, that's how chlorophyll is to plants, to leaves. So all the nutrients are in the leaves, in the chlorophyll. So if you slice it first before washing, you are washing out the chlorophyll, which is not good. That's where the nutrients are packed. A good wash, fill it up with water again. And then I'm going to start dropping the vegetables in here. This is cold water, by the way, not hot water. You don't want to use hot water. That will not be very good if you're going to freeze the vegetables later on. So I don't like using hot water to wash the vegetables. So there's enough water now to submerge the vegetables. I'm gonna give it another wash. So grab and toss, grab and toss, grab and toss. Like that. If there's any sand, the sand will fall to the bottom of the bowl. And you don't grab too much at a time, just grab a handful. I do that a couple of times, probably 4 to 6 times, it's up to you, depending on how dirty the vegetable is. And then when I feel satisfied, I put it in the other bowl. Look at the colour of the water again. This is the lemon. Let me squeeze that in. So this is the lemon water. I'm going to add cold water to it. I'm going to put the vegetables back into the water. This time around the water's got lemon in it. You could also use salt to wash it, but I prefer lemon or lime. I'm just going to leave it to soak for 5 minutes and then I'll take these out. It has been 5 minutes since I've been soaking these vegetables, so it's time to bring them out from the lemon water. So now I'm going to show you how to cut these vegetables. So the collard vegetables are all washed now. I'm going to show you how to slice it. So some people will just grab like this and start slicing. Some people might want to start arranging it like this. And then with a sharp knife you start slicing it down. This is how I like to slice mine. I like to cut it again because I don't like it when I'm eating and vegetables are dripping down my chin. So that's why I like to cut it again and make it short. Because imagine you're eating and you get something like this. You get something this long, you try to put that in your mouth, it's gonna make hot soup dribble down your clothes or your chin. You don't want that. That's why I like to slice it again. So see? So some people like to slice like this and then wash it. If you do that, you're going to lose all the chlorophyll, which is not good because the chlorophyll contains all the nutrients. So you wash first before you cut. This is one way of slicing. I'm going to show you 2 more ways of slicing. Pick it up, and some people like to arrange it and then start rolling it. Roll it like this and then slice it up. This is a lot easier when you roll it up. You have more control. You have more control. You control the size and everything else. This is if you got the time. See, I like my vegetables cut this way. Nicely chopped, nicely cut, nicely sliced. So I'm going to show you a different way of cutting these vegetables, especially when you're in a hurry. You could just grab. You don't need to arrange, just grab. Just grab, it doesn't matter what side you're facing, you just grab it like this, hold it tight. It doesn't matter if you got the tail or the top of the vegetable, it doesn't matter. You just have to squeeze it tight and give it your first cut. Push that underneath, because these first ones are going to be disorganized and big because it's not arranged. So now you start slicing, making sure you're holding it tight, and then you roll. And you have to wash your vegetables first before you slice, because if you slice it first and then wash, you're going to lose the nutrients. See? Nicely sliced. You're holding it tight, like almost rolled. Hold it tight, give it a first slice, push that underneath. These are all the leaves that are not facing the right direction. So you're trying to gain control by cutting them and putting them underneath, so they could get sliced again, and then you start slicing. And that's it. So now I've finished slicing, and you can see I've got a lot of vegetable here. So what I'm gonna do now is to put the vegetables in a freezer bag, like so. And then this one is going in the freezer. This is the way I wash and cut collard greens, the way our grandparents, our parents, aunties taught us, because you don't want to be eating food and you have long vegetables dribbling down your chin, burning your chin, or getting your clothes dirty. I don't like to wash with vinegar. I like using lime or lemon or salt. Look at how this looks. Very nice, very demure, very ladylike. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.